Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Depending on when you're seeing this, I hope it was great. I hope it will be great. My hair is finally growing out to where it's kicking up a little. Goodbye, Mod Bob. Welcome, Lob. Long Bob. Today I'm unboxing the Ipsy icon box. I love it. It's a $391 value. That's all I know. I did pick out some things in here, and I do believe my my extra item I paid for is supposed to be in here as well. So there should be like 9 things in here. Maybe an add-on, but my boost. Oh, look at this. It's a lot of stuff. It's very heavy. Oh, haha, off with her head. Oh, we got a little flyer here. It says member perks, build your box. And it talks about some stuff that's not in this box. And then we have the little icon box magazine with Vanessa Hudgens, or I guess, is that Vanessa Hudgens? Yes, it is. And it talks about what's in here and the prices. So maybe I'll be able to put some prices together, but it's $3.91 overall for this box. So this is good to have, but it's hard to follow. So much stuff. I remember picking this. I'm really excited about this. It is IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. This is like over $20. And IGK makes some really great hair items. So this is going to be fantastic. Very excited to have that. Then I have from Fenty Skin, I chose this Fat Water Pore Refining Toning Serum. And ooh, it's got a nice viscosity to it. And it's really beautiful packaging, but you can tell it's got like a little thickness to it by the way the bubble moves. Very cool. From Freck Beauty, I got the Lash Rocket Liner. And this is got some boosting serum in it, so it's supposed to help your with peptides and other stuff to make your eyelashes grow, which I could always use. I always start an eyelash serum, but I always forget about it. So this is nice. I'm not going to open it yet because it is just a black eyeliner with like a little paint, little brush tip. Then we have from Huda Booty, Huda Booty, Huda Booty, Huda Booty, Huda Beauty. Some the best lashes, major volume, curl, and insane length mascara. And these pictures on here are always liars. They always lie about the mascara. I mean, we're not dumb. I'll try it to see if it's any good, but most chances are it's not. I'm so positive. Then we have from Tarte, a Marajuka highlighter stick. Let's take a look at that. One of my friends wanted this, and I might hook her up with it because she's a sweetheart. And that's what you do to your friends. You hook them up. I'm not going to pump it up, but it's a beautiful color for a pale lady like myself. And a lot of people love a cream highlighter. I don't even use highlighter hardly at all, and I got a ton of them. Let's see. I chose this. I know I did because it's Dr. Brandt's Dark Spots No More Triple Acid Spot Minimizing Concentrate. I've got a dark spot right there, and I keep using dark spot stuff on it. I think it's starting to fade finally, so that's cool. Let's take a look, and it's, you know, it's half an ounce. That's not very much. And this is, I think, my boost item. So this is like 15 bucks, but I know Dr. Brandt stuff is way more expensive than that. So I don't know exactly how much it is, but it is definitely probably at least 40 bucks. And I will use all of that ½ ounce on my visage. My visage, my face, my beautiful face. And then I have from Volition, Neroli Complete Cream with vitamin C. It's vegan collagen. And this box is beat to hell. It's not a good looking box. Let's see if I can't open it up without destroying it. I'm doing fantastic. And this is a nice heavy glass jar, which I appreciate. It doesn't have much of a smell, and it is full to the rim. But it's also one of those trick jars that it's only, look, there's like missing some at the bottom. It's one of those trick jars where you think, oh, it's a big jar, but it's got that big thick glass bottom. So it's not nearly as much product as you think it's going to be. Don't get me wrong. And this is 1.7 fluid ounces. So this is a good amount of vitamin C cream. And I do love a vitamin C. It really brightens my skin. And I really appreciate that. And from Iconic London, Lip and Cheek Cream Trio. I don't really love Iconic London. And I'm not really a lip and cheek kind of gal. Like, I don't like to use the same stuff because I like to wear long-lasting matte lipstick, which may be out of fashion, but it's what I like to do. So let's get in here and see what it looks like. Some of this will be going on my Macari, and I definitely will link that down below. And this is very pretty, and it would make a great cream blush or lip. It's great colors. Not anything that I'm excited about, but you know, there's definitely people in the world who would love and appreciate that. And this would be a very reduced price on my Macari. And then I've got, last but not least, a palette. It's always nice to get a palette. And this feels heavy and luxurious. Heavy and luxurious. And it's from Il Maquillage. Ooh, reflecting. Let's take a look. I know it's a big neutral palette. And this is $391 worth of stuff. I have trouble seeing that, but oh, this is beautiful. If I didn't have a nude palette, you know, natural kind of palette that I already liked, I would dig into this. This is very beautiful and feels very heavy and luxurious. And that is a very nice neutral palette. It'd be great to start up anybody's collection or add to. So what we got today, we've got a lot of stuff. So we've got one fabulous new palette, every neutral color you need. So I'm not gonna sing the whole time. I'm not a musical. I do like to sing though. I'm enthusiastic, but not great. Iconic Lip and Cheek Cream Trio, that was nice. A nice bit of vitamin C cream. A big fancy mascara from Huda. We got some dark spot treatment here from Dr. Brandt, which is really nice. We've got a lash boosting lash rocket liner from Freck. And Freck is a company that makes freckle pens. Then we've got the highlighter stick from Tarte. We've got this, I'm gonna use this. Or maybe I'll put on my Macari because I've got some niacinamide toners. But this is really nice, and I know this would do my skin up right. Serum tonification. Refining toner serum. So it's a serum and a toner. That's going to be hard for me to not try to use that. And then we've got the dry shampoo from IGK, which is fantastic. So, all in all, is this the best Icon box? No, but it's definitely worth $65. Plus my boost item, which was like, call it $15. So it's still a good deal for everything I got here, but it's not my most favorite. But I'm glad to have it, and I hope that you have enjoyed me unboxing my icon box. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.